Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 11 Pro in the black or space gray color. Now I'm really excited for this one because this is the one that I decided not to choose and I went for the green one instead, and that green one won't be here yet. And I actually took a peek and I opened the box, I know, but I had to look at it because I'm really regretting not getting this one instead. I hope the green one does live up to the expectation I've set in my mind, but just looking at this box, I was like, instant regret. Let's look at what is in the box first and then we'll check it out. You can kind of see it there. We have the XS and the iPhone 11 right there, XS, 11, and you can see the difference. I mean, this looks like a gunmetal gray, not black, I guess this looks more like space gray than anything we've gotten in the past, really. And here we have the pamphlet, nothing special, same thing as the 11 there. The special thing here, and where it reminds you, hey, look, you're really a pro, you're a professional, you deserve a professional phone with 3 lenses on the back, is this little fast charger here, which is how many watts here? I don't know, I can't read what it says at the bottom, but this is a fast charger. Believe it, it's bigger than the normal one, definitely. So it definitely must charge faster, and it does. Normal earpods, so nothing pro there. And any reference to pro, of course, I'm joking because there's really nothing very pro about the 11 Pro, except for it's more expensive. And yeah, it does have better display and all that, but that doesn't really make it a pro phone. I mean, come on. Here we have a USB Type-C to Lightning, which is nice because that means if you have a MacBook, now you can use this cable to charge your phone or connect it. And that's what we get in the box. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. There is one plastic film covering the front of the phone. And let's go ahead and close this, put it to one side up here, off camera. And here we have the phone. There we go. This is the back of it, which looks absolutely stunning. My goodness. I don't know, but I kind of wish that they would have, I don't know if maybe it would have looked bad, but the iPhone 11, you can see here, it does have a matted bump here for the camera, while the Pro has a glossy one right there, which, I don't know, maybe it does look better here with the glossy one, but you can be the judge of that too. Definitely makes it stand out. So if we put a case on it, which for some reason I put the Pro cases further away from me than so let me grab it real quick. Hold on, give me a second. Here we go. So we got a clear case. This one's from the folks over at Totally. And this is a clear case in the wrong color because I definitely wouldn't put this on this phone. I would definitely put a black case, but you can kind of see it there. Definitely didn't help. I probably grabbed the wrong one. Let's see, I'll grab another one here. Let's grab another case. All right, so I had to reach into my pile of unopened cases here. We have one from Alexar here. The folks at mobilefun.com sent this over, thanks to them. No sponsors or anything, just nice people for sending the cases so we can do this here. And this case has something on the back, which, or inside. Hold on, I'll figure this out real quick. There we go. And now on the back. All right. There we go, we got it. So let's go ahead and put the clear case on just to see how it looks here. And I really dig it. It reminds me a lot of the space gray that you would see on the MacBooks or on the Apple keyboards. It looks really, really, really nice. I mean, I think this is probably the best color. I don't know. I'm not gonna get the green one till like next week or something like that. So unfortunately, I have no say on how this looks compared to the green one. All I can say that this by itself looks super stunning. Now let's go ahead and put a case that kind of matches with it. Kind of like Apple's case, a rubber case, and see how that is. So here we go. This is how it would look, kind of like with the silicone cases that Apple sells. There you go. You got the little square there. Hides the back, which is unfortunate because of course you kind of want to see I love this back. I would buy Apple Care just so that you can carry it around with no case and feel this back all the time. It feels really, really good back here. And you can kind of see it withstands smudges really well. It's not even close to what you get with smudges on this phone right here, where you just put your finger and then you get a smudge, and also with the 11 here. So there you can see 11, 10S, and 11 Pro colors. And 11 Pro looks incredible. Really, really good. Really, really good. Best color on a phone I've seen so far, ever, just in my opinion. I am looking forward to seeing the white. My brother got the white one, and that's also on the way and delayed because we were part of the upgrade program, and for some reason they don't arrive at the same time. And we will be taking a look at the gold max in the next video, so we'll check that out and compare these two colors side by side just to see. But that was a quick look here at the phone with some cases. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the color. Honestly, I do think this might be the best color. We'll see the green one, but this looks so good. This looks so good. But yeah, I'm kind of going crazy over the color, I know, but it just looks really nice. Trust me, if you like black or space gray in the past, just go with this and forget the midnight green color. We'll see what the midnight green color is. It's nice and refreshing, I guess, but man, does this look really good. If you guys have any questions or you want to watch the next videos or everything, make sure to stay tuned or comment down below, and I'll get back to you with any replies that you might need. And I don't even know what I'm saying anymore because my voice is running out. As I say this, I can feel my voice dying. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.